When it comes to ranking on Google, most people focus only on what's happening inside the website. They write content, optimize title, improve structure, and expect results. But often, even after doing everything right on page, their rankings still don't improve. So what's missing? The answer lies outside the website. Google doesn't look at your content. It also looks at how the rest of the internet views your website. It asks questions like, are other websites linking to this page? Is this brand being mentioned online? Can this website be trusted? This is exactly where Off-Page SEO comes in. In this video, you will learn what Off-Page SEO is, how backlinks actually work, how search engines measure authority, and how you can build a strong off-page strategy to rank higher on Google in 2026. What is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO refers to all the action taken outside your website to improve its ranking in the search engines. While on-page SEO focuses on optimizing content, structure, and technical elements within your site, off-page SEO focuses on building trust, authority, and reputation across the internet. Search engines uses this external signal to determine how reliable and valuable your website is compared to others. Understanding authority in SEO. To understand off-page SEO properly, you need to understand the concept of authority. Think of authority like reputation. If many trusted websites mention or link to your content, it signals that your website is credible. Google uses this idea to decide which page deserves higher ranking. Even if two pages have similar content, the one with a strong authority usually ranks higher. Authority is built over time, and backlinks plays the biggest role in the process. What are backlinks and how do they work? A backlink is simply a link from one website to another. When another website links to your page, it's like giving your content a vote of confidence. Search engines treat these links as signals. The more high quality and relevant backlinks you have, the more trustworthy your website appears. However, not all backlinks are equal. A single link from a highly trusted website can be more valuable than dozens of links from low quality or irrelevant sites. Backlinks help search engine not only measure trust but also discover new pages and understand how content across the web is connected. How Google evaluates backlinks. Google does not just count backlinks, it analyzes them. One of the most important factors is the authority of the linking website. Links from well-known trusted sites carry much more weight than links from an unknown or low-quality sources. Relevance is another key factor. If your website is about SEO, a backlink from a marketing or business website is more valuable than a link from an unrelated niche. Google also looks at how the link is placed. Links that appear naturally within the content are more valuable than links placed randomly in footers or sidebars. These factors also help search engine determine whether a backlink is genuine and useful. Types of backlinks you should know. Backlinks comes from many different sources including blogs, news sites, directories, forums, and social platforms. Editorial backlinks are the most valuable. These are links given naturally when someone finds your content useful and decides to reference it. There are also Dofollow and Nofollow links. Dofollow links pass authority and directly impact ranking, while Nofollow links do not pass the same level of authority but can still bring traffic and visibility. A healthy backlink profile usually includes a mix of both. How to build high-quality backlinks. Building backlinks is not about shortcuts or quick wins. It's about creating value and building relationships. The most effective way to earn backlinks is by creating high-quality content that people genuinely want to share and reference. This could include guides, case studies, tutorials, or unique insights. Other methods include guest posting on relevant websites, reaching out to industry blogs, collaborating with other creators, and using digital PR strategies to get featured in articles. Consistency and quality matter more than speed. Off-page SEO beyond backlinks. Although backlinks are the most important part of off-page SEO, they are not the only factor. Brand mentions across the internet, even without links, can help build credibility. Social media presence can increase visibility and drive traffic. Reviews and online reputation also play a role in how your brand is perceived. All these signals together help search engines understand your authority and trustworthiness. Common off-page SEO mistakes. Many beginners try to make shortcuts by buying backlinks or using spammy link building techniques. While this may work temporarily, it often leads to penalties and long-term damages. Another mistake is focusing only on quantity instead of quality. A few strong backlinks from relevant websites are far more valuable than hundreds of low-quality links. Ignoring relevance and building links from unrelated niche can also weaken your SEO performance. So to sum up, off-page SEO is all about building trust, authority, and credibility outside your website. Backlinks act as signals that tell search engines your content is valuable and worth ranking. When done correctly, off-page SEO strengthens your entire website and supports long-term growth in search rankings. Building authority through off-page SEO takes time, effort, and consistency. It's not about quick results, but about creating a strong and trustworthy presence across the internet. When your website earns recognition from other reliable sources, it becomes much easier to compete and rank higher in search results. At Digital Solutions Zone, we help businesses grow through strategic link building, authority development, and complete SEO solution. We also provide services for Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce stores, along with digital marketing across Google, Amazon, and other major platforms. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.